I'm Dr. Theo Versteegh. I'm the CEO and co-founder of TopSpin Technologies, and we developed the TopSpin 360. The reason we actually initially came to OES was, a personal recommendation. We knew that OES did embedded circuitry and programming, as well as kind of app development, software development. And this was kind of exactly what we were looking for. And as a made in London, Ontario, made in Canada story, it was really important for us to keep everything that we could manufactured here in London, Ontario, as close as possible, definitely made in Canada. We have a premium product, and we didn't want to be beholden to an overseas supplier who may or may not have had our best interests at heart, and wanted to have a relationship to form a partnership with that company as we develop and move forward. And meeting with OES, that is kind of far and away exceeded what we're hoping for in a partnership for our hardware software development. Meeting with them, we were still very much a startup, and I had kind of developed a working prototype with using essentially a breadboard and Hall effect sensors and kind of a rudimentary Arduino board to collect the data that we wanted from our kind of future iteration of TopSpin 360. And OES were able to sit down with me, kind of brainstormed. I brought together what I wanted the app to kind of look like, the qualities and the contingencies with it, and they were able to kind of convert that into stepwise programmatic systems and develop what is now the hardware, which collects the data, as well as the software in the app, both iOS and Android, and provided support and updating along the way. It's been great. For us, OES is a fundamental key partner, and even as kind of things develop and we start to ramp up, obviously kind of inflation and costs are going up, but like we're committed with OES, given kind of the development and the commitment that they showed for us for kind of the product and the what we're developing and the belief in us for the direction that we're going. So as far as we're concerned, OES is kind of with us for the long haul.